Minimalist living has become more than a design trend. It is a practical response to modern urban life, where space is often limited and simplicity brings clarity. A minimalist studio apartment, when thoughtfully designed, can feel open, elegant, and deeply personal despite its modest size. Through clever DIY decor hacks and intentional design choices, a small studio can transform into a functional and visually pleasing home. This tour explores how minimalist principles and creative solutions work together to maximize space, comfort, and style without excess. Understanding the minimalist studio concept. A studio apartment typically combines living, sleeping, and dining areas into one open space, with only the bathroom fully enclosed. Minimalism complements this layout perfectly by emphasizing necessity, balance, and visual calm. Instead of filling the apartment with furniture and decorations, minimalist design focuses on selecting fewer items that serve clear purposes. This approach not only saves space but also creates an atmosphere that feels organized and breathable. In a minimalist studio, every object earns its place. Neutral color palettes, clean lines, and uncluttered surfaces help the eye move freely, making the apartment appear larger than it truly is. The goal is not emptiness, but intentional living, where each element contributes to comfort and function. Smart layout planning for small spaces. Before decor comes planning. The layout of a studio apartment determines how effectively the space can be used. Zoning is a key strategy. Even without walls, different areas can be visually separated through furniture placement, rugs, or subtle changes in lighting. For example, a sofa placed with its back facing the bed can act as a divider between the sleeping and living zones. A narrow console table behind the sofa adds storage and reinforces the separation. DIY room dividers made from open shelving units or lightweight wooden frames offer both structure and functionality without blocking light. Keeping pathways clear is essential. Furniture should be arranged to allow easy movement, avoiding overcrowding. The more fluid the layout, the more comfortable the apartment feels in daily use. Multifunctional furniture as a design solution. In a small studio, furniture must work harder. Multifunctional pieces are central to minimalist living and are often ideal DIY projects. A bed with built-in drawers eliminates the need for extra storage units. A foldable wall-mounted desk can serve as a workspace by day and disappear when not in use. Ottomans with hidden storage, nesting tables, and extendable dining surfaces are excellent examples of furniture that adapts to different needs. DIY upgrades, such as adding wheels to a storage bench or installing a hinged tabletop, enhance flexibility without significant cost. Choosing furniture with slim profiles and raised legs also helps maintain a sense of openness, allowing light to flow beneath and around each piece. Clever DIY storage hacks. Storage is often the biggest challenge in studio living, but it also presents the greatest opportunity for creativity. Vertical space is frequently underused. Installing open shelves above doorways, along walls, or near the ceiling provides additional storage without consuming floor space. DIY floating shelves can be customized to fit exact dimensions and styled minimally with books, plants, or everyday items stored in matching containers. Underbed storage boxes, preferably on wheels, make use of hidden space while remaining accessible. Hooks and pegboards are simple yet effective solutions for organizing accessories, kitchen tools, or bags. When designed with uniform materials and colors, these practical elements blend seamlessly into a minimalist aesthetic. Light, color, and visual balance. Light plays a vital role in how a small space is perceived. Natural light should be maximized by keeping window treatments light and unobtrusive. Sheer curtains or simple roller blinds maintain privacy without blocking sunlight. Artificial lighting should be layered. A combination of ambient ceiling lights, task lamps, and soft accent lighting creates depth and warmth. DIY lighting projects, such as custom pendant lights or wall-mounted sconces, add character while maintaining simplicity. Color choices should remain restrained. Whites, soft grays, and warm beige tones form a calm base, while subtle contrasts can be introduced through textures rather than bold colors. Wooden elements, linen fabrics, and matte finishes add visual interest without overwhelming the space. Minimalist decor with personal touches. Minimalism does not mean a lack of personality. In fact, personal touches become more meaningful when fewer items are displayed. A single large art piece can replace multiple smaller decorations, creating a focal point without clutter. DIY wall art, such as framed fabric, simple line drawings, or monochrome photography, allows for customization while staying aligned with minimalist principles. Indoor plants are another effective addition. Small potted plants or hanging greenery bring life and freshness, softening clean lines and neutral tones. The key is restraint. Each decorative item should feel intentional, contributing either emotional value or visual balance. Maintaining order through habit and design. A minimalist studio apartment thrives on consistency. Smart design choices make organization easier, but daily habits sustain the effect. Storage solutions should be easy to access, encouraging items to be returned to their places. Open surfaces should be kept mostly clear, reinforcing the sense of calm that minimalism provides. Periodic reassessment of belongings helps prevent accumulation and keeps the space aligned with its original purpose. By combining thoughtful planning with clever DIY decor hacks, a small studio apartment can become a refined and comfortable living environment. Minimalism, when approached with creativity and intention, proves that limited space does not limit style, functionality, or personal expression.